Damn, there's a lot of cars here. I got front row right here. And there's the green Chevelle and the red El Camino. Lots of cars. Seen lots of people as I was driving through. Gonna go meet up with some people, but y'all have fun. Should have came out. Ooh, wait, hold on. 57 Chevy. Black. Nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I love 57 Chevys. This is the place to be. There's a ton of cars. This is what it's all about. The smell of race gas. Fast cars. Gotta love summer.